Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and the video that I'll be doing today is It's Okay by Bounty Killa, and I'm sure a lot of us have heard this song before. For those of you who have not heard this song, it's a really nice song, trust me. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and play tune.
Sincerely, I know she can hear me. From my heart, I'm saying I'm sorry, my dear. Way down. I'm sorry for all the wrong I've done and all the pain I've caused. But two hearts become one, and that's a bond. I need you in my life, not as a memory. I need you to be there.
The man say, two hearts become one, and that's a bond. You see? Hey, yo, I was a Tugs of lyrics. Play a tune.
To journey. He's like my love attorney. My eyes can see more clear as long as you're standing there. Seems like I'm in a dream, or things are the way they seem. Sorry if I treat you bad, or if I ever make you sad. Didn't mean to get so mad. You're the best thing I ever had. I don't know what to do. I'm so in love with you. I hurt you.
Yo. What me fi say? What me fi say about Bounty Killa? Hey, Bounty Killa, you know you're versatile. You're versatile, you know. You're going like one little romantic under all that tough exterior. But Missy say, yeah, work hard to get back your girl, you know. What you mean? Play.
Yes, it's true, but I got a few words for you. It's okay, it's alright. I'm gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things you like champagne and candlelight, touch your body when the mood is right. Make you tingle with the light. And later on in the night, we gonna make love till morning light. Baby, don't let love go, mister, let love stay. I want us to be together till we old and grey. Don't leave me in this sorrow nor in dismay. A reply from you would simply make my day. I was a fool to make she...
Yo, bars. Baby, don't let love go, me say let love stay. Me can't talk too loud, you know, cause baby girl there, so they sleep. You see it? Mom life, thug life. Yo, the man say, baby, don't let love go, me say let love stay. I want us to be together till we whole and grey. Bombard bars, play.
Love can go away. No, lonely is the price that I got to pay. I guess I gotta be the player everybody want me to be. That you want me to be. And I couldn't get to see the things that you want me to.
No, Bounty Killa, we don't want you to be no player, man. Come on, man. You know what they say, nobody be a player, man. Work back for your girl.
That you want me to say, I want you in my life, I don't want you as a memory. Not as a memory. Well, life would not be complete without this woman by my side. I'm so obsolete. The stupid ways of mine I would never repeat. If this world was mine, I would give you to keep. Place it at your feet. Girl, you love it not cheap. I may not understand how could I be such a creep. It cut me like a knife and...
Bars, the man say, girl, you love it not cheap. Yo, I wonder if the thugs them out there. I wonder if the man them, my male subscriber them. I wonder if you no understand what the man a say. The man a telling girls say, yo, me know say me mess up in our babes, but yo, me can't do without your love. You understand? Me and you come from far. Make we try and work out this thing and me no want go back, me no want to be a play. The part that really get me when he say, I guess I got to be the player everybody want me to be. You understand? It's like him a try say, you better ain't just go back to being or in did stay more than try to stick to one woman. You get what I mean? Play it.
Now I'm hurting deep. Many night me no sleep. Me a moon and awake. And me heart a skipping. It's okay, it's alright. I'm gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things you like champagne and candlelight. It's okay, it's alright. I'm gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things you like champagne and candlelight. It's okay, it's alright. I'm gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things you like champagne and candlelight. It's okay, it's alright. I'm gonna make it on the morning flight. I'm gonna do all the things.
Pause. I want to say something. For all of the thugs them, the thug subscriber them, and I see when you know no girl, you know one little disagreement. Try and make up back with the girl. You see it, cause we love when you try and make up back with you and all we are going, you know, we like them things there, you see it. Plenty.
You like champagne and candlelight.
Why song done? That was a nice one. I really like this Bounty Killer. Cause when me hear this a song the first time, I say, what? Bounty Killer a sing? What? Rodney? A sing? So there you have it, guys. It's okay by Bounty Killer. Hope you guys enjoyed the vibe. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. You see it. So me see you in another video. Understand me. Once again, it's your girl Anisha, and I am out.